Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Ayodele Adewale, and in today's video we're going to be doing a very quick and easy tutorial for beginners on how to use the LinkedIn application to get your dream job or any job as that, depending on wherever you are, be it Nigeria, South Africa, Ghana, United Kingdom, United States, Canada, Germany, any country of your choice. This video is for you. Just follow it depending on the country you are, and follow this step-by-step tutorial to get started. So let's go straight to the video. So on my phone, I'm going to be opening my LinkedIn. As you can see, whenever you open the LinkedIn, it always looks like this. I am not a new user of LinkedIn. I've been using LinkedIn for a very long time, and that is why my profile is like this. But if you need tutorial on how to open up or set up your LinkedIn, it's really simple actually. But if you need that tutorial, you can send a comment in the comment box so that I can put that video up for you. So this is how the LinkedIn app looks like. You would see the home button, my network, the post, the notification, and the job down below. They had the items and the icons down below the LinkedIn. This is how it looks like on an iPhone. I am aware of the fact that it looks different on an Android, but what is important is that you are able to identify the home, my network, the post, the notification, and the jobs. In this tutorial, we are going to be focusing on the jobs. Now, how do you get jobs on LinkedIn? You are a new person, you are new to LinkedIn, you don't even know how to do it, but you'll be hearing testimonies about people getting jobs on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is very easy to get jobs. There are actually two crucial ways that you can get job on LinkedIn. In fact, there are three crucial ways you can get job on LinkedIn. The first way is that you have a dream company. For example, you want to work with Microsoft. So what you do is that you search Microsoft on your search box, and then when you open Microsoft, you can follow them. You can see I unfollow them there, so you can follow them, and after that you see the home, the about, the product, the post, and the jobs. So if you are interested in working with Microsoft, you can go to the jobs section here and scroll different jobs that are available. So you apply to any job of your choice depending on your location and country. Mind you, you can also create a job alert here by signing up to get notified about Microsoft job alert. So you can also click here for the alert, and then you can also scroll here to see more jobs and search. Now, one beautiful thing about this is that you can easily filter your job search. You can see these are the filters, the LinkedIn filters. Under these filters, we have the easy apply. For example, if you don't have time for the long application, you can filter your LinkedIn filters here. Then if you are someone that is looking for on-site or remote or hybrid work, this is for you. Then dates posted. For example, some posts are up for like 1 month on LinkedIn and they are no longer relevant to your search. They are no longer relevant. So to streamline your search and make you very fast whenever to get the exact fit for what you want, it's best you put past week and filter your search for past week or past 1 day. Then the experience level, the job level, and others. So that is exactly what you have there. So you can scroll through to see a lot of offers here and apply for the one that actually suits you and you have the requirement for it. As you can see from the screen, there are even some that LinkedIn is telling me already that I have a preferred skill badge for the particular job position. So that is the number one way for you to get a job on LinkedIn. Another way is that you can scroll through. For example, if you are subscribed to your company, your dream company, and you can actually scroll through on your timeline, and maybe if the company has a job offer, they are going to post it that, oh, apply for this particular job offer. If I see, I will look for a job offer and link it with this video. So that's another way you can do it. They would look at one. This is one. I am hiring. This is a post. I am hiring. Then they would show the different requirements in the post. It's called a LinkedIn post by the recruiter or the employer. So you're going to look for this and then you comment or you go to their website to fully assess it. So this is the second way to get a job on LinkedIn. The company will advertise it through their LinkedIn post and you apply. Another third way, which is the most versatile way, and it is the best way concerning LinkedIn job search, is to use the job filter down below here. on my right. So I click the jobs. This is how it looks like. So let me clear. So I've cleared my filters and my job set, and this is how it looks like. This is the new way it looks like. LinkedIn has actually changed it before. This is the new. As an accountant, I'm actually an accountant, so LinkedIn has already focused my job search basically on accounting roles and accounting positions. For example, if you're a software engineer, all these account officer would not be showing much on your screen. So that is the beauty of LinkedIn. It filters and streamline your research, your job search to your area of discipline. So now this is how to use it. So for example, you're in Nigeria. I am in Nigeria, so let me use Nigeria as an example. So this is the job set. So you click this particular area, then you choose your location. For example, you're in the United States, or for example, you're in Kenya. So let's say Kenya. So are you in Nairobi, Kenya? So we don't want to streamline our job set. Let's just use Kenya alone. So you're going to search it. Now for accounting related jobs, there are 1,863 results in Kenya for the accounting related jobs. As you can see it. They are mostly finance roles. So that is how it is. Then for Nigeria, let's go to Nigeria, where Nigeria we have 6,235 results for. I did not put any title, any skill or company. These are all the jobs advertised on LinkedIn as at today. These are all the jobs advertised on LinkedIn in Nigeria as at today. So you can filter it. You can go ahead to filter it. Date posted. Maybe it is the past 24 hours. I want my own to be the past 24 hours. So I click the filter. Then the experience. Okay, I just graduated from school. I'm looking for an internship role. I choose the search box, and then I think this is okay for now. So for this particular search that I clicked, past 24 hours and internship, this is the only available position, and it was posted 2 minutes ago. This is the available position: solar engineer, graduate training. As you can see it, then these are the job description. They are going to put the job description at the end, underneath all the job posts. So these are the requirements for the job. So there are different ways to apply for this particular job. One way is that, okay, since you've gotten the notification that this particular job is available, you can go to the company's website and open up the company's account on the internet yourself, or you should use this apply button on LinkedIn to direct you to where to apply to on the company's website. So they ask you different series of questions, and you fill it to know whether you are qualified or not. Now when you are done, LinkedIn will ask you a question: did you apply? Let us know so we can track your application. So you can use this to easily track your application on LinkedIn instead of going to the company's website every single day. So this is actually a very good filter and feature on LinkedIn. So this is a particular one. Now another way is that you search for this. You can also search for a particular role. Let's say you're searching for an accountant in Nigeria. So okay, so because of the filter here, you say anytime, you show results, and then the internship, because we don't want it to be internship, we want to see all position. You want click it and show all results. So they are going to show you the accounting role in Nigeria. These are all the accountants, anything accountant. These are all the available jobs on LinkedIn, advertised on LinkedIn. So you can apply to any one of them, and trust me, you have 100% chance of being qualified. Like for example, you see this job application, this job post is 1 month ago, and most of the time I don't want to be applying for stale jobs because they have closed, their deadline has closed, and you don't want to waste your time. So most of the time, always filter your search to past week, not past 1 day, but past week. So this past week will give you an update of what has happened during the week and the positions you can search for. So that is all for searching for Nigerian roles. Then people in the United States, they are really, really lucky because there are so many jobs in the United States that they can apply to. So many jobs in the United States they can apply to. So this is a particular job search for past 24 hours. Now let's choose any time. That is the job search from any time that is not internship. You will see that there are thousands of opportunities in the United States that people can apply for. Can you see 7 million results, 7 million jobs in the United States you can apply for, depending on any role you want. People in the United States are so lucky, and that is how it is for other countries as well. So you can also go to United Kingdom and type it and see thousands of job applications available for you to apply to. And I'm certain that if you have the required skill, qualification and description, you are going to be called for an interview and you will get the job. So when you are done, that is all about this tutorial. That is all about it. You clear this again. If you don't want it to keep reoccurring and showing, you clear. Then if you want jobs from other countries as well, you can also get a form of recommendation or suggestion by LinkedIn itself. So that's all about this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and a like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope to see you in another video. Bye.